Hello guys, this is Miss Jocelyn Flamenco and today we're going to talk about future. So one way to talk about future is using going to, and we're going to learn how to use going to. Let's start. We use some expressions to refer to future such as tomorrow, tonight, next week, next month, next year, in a few hours, in a few days, by next week, etc. All these are expressions that we can use to refer to future. Now, what is the structure of going to? The structure is the following. We have to use the subject plus the verb to be that can be am, is, or are, plus going to plus the verb in infinitive. Let's see some examples. I am going to sing at the party. She's going to sing at the party. He is going to sing at the party. It is going to rain. All these are singular sentences. Now here we have some plural ones. You are going to sing at the party. We are going to sing at the party. They are going to sing at the party. If you see, all these sentences have the same structure. Subject, the verb be, plus going to, plus the verb in infinitive, plus the complement. Now, to write negative sentence, we use the following structure. We have to write the particle not after the verb to be, like this. Subject plus verb be, that can be am, is, are, remember, plus particle not, plus going to, plus the verb. Let's see some examples. I am not going to sing at the party. She's not going to sing at the party. You are not going to sing at the party. If you notice the particle not, if it is after the verb to be. Now, guys, here you have some positive sentence. You have some words that you have to write positive sentence, like this. I work at the office. So, you have to write using, in this space, going to. Let's do number 1. I work at the office. So, the sentence will be using going to. I am going to work at the office. Let's do number 2. You are going to dance salsa. Now, the next exercise is that you have to write negative sentence in going to in these spaces. Let's do number 1. I sell my car. So, the negative one will be I am not going to sell my car. Okay, so that is all for now, guys. Let's practice going to.